This is the Billy Joe Spleth Trust House, 9204 South Cleveland. Entering the front door, this is one living area. Walking through the living area into another living area, dining room combination. This is the bedroom downstairs. Across from this bedroom is a bathroom located downstairs. From that living area, dining room combination goes into the kitchen. Lots of cabinet space. And countertop. Into another bathroom located on the lower level. Full bath. This center room could be used as a bedroom. Does not have a closet. Another bedroom. Hardwood floor. And across that center living area is another bedroom upstairs.